Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I bought part 2 of the video. If you haven't watched the part 1, so go firstly watch that out and then watch this video. So in this video I'll show you canopy making and balloon decoration. So let's get started with the video. Firstly, here I have taken embroidery hoop which is of 12 number. If you are making canopy, if you want a bigger canopy, then you can use a hula hoop also. Now here I am unscrewing the loop. Here firstly I'll work with the ring which is open from the one side. Now here I have taken curtain and just looping it in the ring. It's very easy to make. Here I will use 2 curtains. You can use one single curtain or maybe 3, as much as you want. Now here I am placing it properly. Now to lock this in the place, here I'll use the other ring. And now here I am screwing it. Now here I have locked it. Now for the string part, here I have taken jute rope and tied it from the one end. And just like this, I'm passing it through. It's very easy to do. Now take 3 strings together. Now here I have taken all the strings together. And now here I am tying it and making a loop to hang it. So here we go, our canopy is ready. Now here I'll use this adhesive hook to hang it up. Now for the balloon decoration, here you will need balloons. Now this is not the actual part. Here I have demonstrated because it was very difficult for me to shoot with those big balloons. Here I have taken smaller balloons to show you. This is very easy to do. Here I have taken 2 balloons and tying it together. Just like this, make many and many bunch. Now tie rope on one end of the balloon Here from this part we'll start making the balloon garland. Just do as I'm showing, it's very easy to do. Just like this, I have kept adding the balloons. Now for the hanging part, here I've taken jute rope again. And now I am tying it a knot. Now I am tying a knot on the top. Make sure to keep a big piece to hang it easily on the wall. Now for the hanging part, here again I have used the adhesive hooks, which are very easy to apply. Now for the decoration part, here I have sticked 2 stars and a happy birthday balloon and a wine bottle onto the balloon garland with double-sided tape, and there we go. This is how you make it, and it's very easy to do. And this was for my sister and she loved it very much. So thank you for watching this video. If you love this video, then give it a big fat thumbs up, subscribe to my channel and share this video. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, tata, bye bye and take care.